Silas, look at me. You're on video. Yes. That's the first time you're going to see your Tucker. Yes, you handsome boy.
No, he's visiting. He's not ours permanently yet. I got Joe. You guys can go in.
Close the door.
Close both the bottom and the top.
I can't. He's out there. Can we pet him?
Yeah, of course.
No.
Watch that. You got water right here.
Can we get him out?
Yeah, but I don't know why he's hiding. See, here he comes.
Hey, I have a kitty. Her name is. Can I go get him a blankie?
Well, he's gonna just sniff you and stuff. He's like super friendly. So, do you want to know what his name is?
Yeah.
Silas.
Silas?
Yep.
Silas.
I got him.
What noise does he like?
Well, I don't know that he likes any noises. Oh, like to call him?
Yeah.
Well, cats are weird about that way. That. Hey, Abby, can you move? Thank you. I'm videotaping you for the first time you saw Silas. Isn't he soft? He's like crazy soft.
No, you can't go out.
So he's visiting us, and hopefully we'll keep him. I wanted you to be surprised.
Oh, is this?
We're gonna see how he does with the dogs.
What's? Oh, that's toy.
Yeah, I got him some toys. There's a ball, and there's some mice on the floor.
Well, like real mice? Hey.
No, not real mice. But he doesn't. It doesn't seem to like.
Like this?
Yeah, that's a mouse right there, Abby.
What does it do? That's the.
It just doesn't do anything.
Don't jump up here.
And he's really super jumpy. I'm gonna go ahead and pause you.